Setting goals is crucial for success as it provides a clear roadmap to achieving your dreams. Unlike vague dreams, setting achievable goals involves defining precise and actionable steps. Goals give direction and inspire motivation, helping to maintain focus in the face of obstacles. By understanding the difference between daydreaming and actionable planning, you can set realistic, tailored goals that are directly aligned with your personal aspirations. In this video, we'll guide you through a structured process, ensuring your goals are not just wishes, but achievable milestones that lead to your ultimate dream. Defining clear and specific goals is paramount in goal setting. Utilizing the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, ensures your goals are well-defined and actionable. For instance, a vague goal might be get healthy, while a SMART goal would be lose 20 pounds in 6 months by exercising thrice a week. Such specificity provides clarity, making it easier to plan and achieve. Additionally, making your goals measurable with clear deadlines ensures you can track your progress and stay motivated. This approach allows for precise planning and regular assessments to keep your objectives on track and attainable. Turning major goals into manageable steps is crucial for maintaining motivation and ensuring success. By breaking a large goal into smaller, achievable tasks, the process becomes less daunting and more executable. Proper sequencing of these tasks maximizes efficiency and effectiveness. For example, if your goal is to write a book, you might start with outlining chapters, then proceed to write daily page quotas. This methodical division not only simplifies the overall task but also facilitates regular progress checks and adjustments. It's the small steps compounded over time that lead to the completion of substantial goals. Committing to a timeline is essential in goal setting, as deadlines impose a sense of urgency and help prioritize efforts. Creating a realistic timeline involves understanding the scope of your goals and breaking them into stages with specific deadlines. This structured approach helps maintain a steady pace towards completion and prevents last-minute rushes. Using modern tools and apps for tracking progress is highly effective. These tools offer reminders and visual progress bars, which aid in staying on schedule and adjusting plans as needed. By integrating these technologies, you can ensure continuous progress and timely achievement of your goals. Monitoring your progress is critical in goal setting as it allows you to see what is working and what isn't. Regularly tracking your achievements can be motivating and illuminating, providing insights into necessary adjustments. Techniques such as keeping a journal, using apps, or maintaining spreadsheets can effectively track progress. Flexibility in goal setting is crucial, as circumstances change, so too may your capabilities and objectives. Adapting your goals based on new insights ensures they remain achievable and relevant. Being rigid can lead to discouragement, while adaptability fosters continual growth and achievement. In conclusion, achieving your dreams is a structured journey involving clear goal setting, dividing these into manageable actions, committing to timelines, and being adaptable. Staying motivated through challenges is key. Surround yourself with support, remember your why, and celebrate small successes to maintain motivation. Importantly, view failures as stepping stones rather than setbacks. Persistence is crucial, never allow fear of failure to halt your progress. Every step you take is a learning opportunity, bringing you closer to your ultimate goals. Keep pushing forward, adapt as necessary, and your dreams will become your reality.